Welcome back to my channel Rajni Bhakar Academy. I hope you are all doing great in this quarantine time and lockdown time, and I must say you must be missing salon services. So am I. So I'm going to do a haircut today on my hair, and let's see how it goes. So basically, whenever I get a client who have curly hairs like mine, I do a dry haircut, which means I do haircut on dry hairs. But today I'm going to do first on wet hairs, and if I found any need to do a retouch-up, I will do later on my dry curls. Okay? Without wasting much time, let's try it. Come. So first of all, I'm going to wet my hairs. I just enjoy this thing. Okay, now I need to comb my hairs. Guys, I'm done with my hair, and you must be thinking that it's looking same the one I had before the haircut, but trust me guys, it's hard to see the visible result on curly hairs, and I had really frizzy and dry ends which I chopped off, and I'm feeling like relieved and really happy that I did a great job. So guys, if you really like my video and you love my hairs and you love me, so please do like, subscribe and share my channel, and I'll back to you soon with my new video definitely. And till then, lots of love to you. Thank you.